G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and I'm here at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. This is Tian. Tian, you're an apprentice.
Yes, I am.
And yet, you're in what was termed a male-dominated area, but now you've got all of these males teaching you what to do.
Yeah, it's a pretty good feeling.
So as an apprentice, and you know other apprentices who are in mechanical industries, what are they doing in their first 6 months?
Well, all my friends would tell me that they would be stuck on the broom most of the day, just sweeping, cleaning up at the other mechanics.
And here at Bold TCRC?
On my first day, I was straight onto the tools.
Straight onto the tools, so no broom work, straight onto the tools.
And then from that, constantly on the tools.
And then you're supported by the mechanics here? So they're mentors to you?
Yeah, they are, and they're really good.
So if someone was thinking of becoming an apprentice at Bold TCRC, what's your recommendation?
Do it, it's so much fun.
So much fun?
I've earned my nickname as Smiley, because I always have a smile on my face, so.
Oh, that's excellent. Now here at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, they don't just do mechanical apprentices, they do engineering apprentices too. Holland, what's your course that you're doing?
Doing a Cert 3 in engineering, fabrication and welding.
A Cert 3, engineering, fabrication and welding, that's really detailed, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
So what sort of fabrication would you be doing here?
We'd be doing welding of axles, swingaways, frames.
Detailed stuff?
Yeah.
So Holland, how long have you been an apprentice here?
About 4 months.
About 4 months?
Yep.
And when did you start on the tools?
Straight away.
Straight away?
Yeah.
So no broom time, you're not spending the last 4 months on a broom, you're actually using the tools?
Yeah.
And in doing that, you've got mentors, you've got a mentor team that look after you?
Yeah.
Isn't that fabulous? And it's not just on the tools at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, it's also business side. So Kyla, you're doing a business traineeship?
Yes, I'm currently studying Certificate 3 in Business.
That's outstanding. So you're outside in the office, but then you're also, as I understand it, you come in a mix with the team here so that you learn the background of the industry.
Yes, so in my role I'm making bookings, I am doing a lot of the office work, but I also, on top of that, am speaking with the guys out here to learn knowledge to be able to pass on to the customers.
Isn't that outstanding? So when your customer comes in and they've got a question, you've actually got the background of knowledge from the team out here to be able to talk to their customer, relate to them on their level.
Yes.
And yet at the same time, you're doing a whole administrative side.
Yes, that's correct.
So people that you know that are doing a similar role in other places aren't getting the same meat, let me say, in their role. They're just doing filing and making coffee.
Yeah, the good thing about here is I can use what I'm learning and put it into my everyday job.
Wonderful. So you're really hands-on.
Yeah.
So Kyla, what's the end game, if you will? When you do your traineeship, what's the big goal at the end?
So at the end of my traineeship, I will be an administrative officer, hopefully in the future leading me into management.
Wow.
Yeah.
So if somebody wants to become an apprentice or a trainee, do you recommend they come to Bold?
Definitely. It's a great idea, great place to learn.
So if you want a career and not just a job, and you want a team that will support you and teach you so that you actually learn, then you've got to go to Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, have a talk to them and see if they can make your career happen. Would you recommend they do that?
Definitely.
There you go, Kyla recommends it. So if Kyla says do it, you've got to do it.